You've read the news. A rapid decline in pollinators is happening across America with negative impacts on birds, other wildlife, and people. This is a growing and significant crisis, but at Audubon, Connecticut, we're doing our part to reverse the situation. All living creatures depend on nature, and nature depends on our protecting habitat for the wildlife we enjoy and depend on. Won't you help us by renewing your support of Audubon's programs, including what we do to protect pollinators, birds, and other wildlife? Together, with your support, Audubon, Connecticut can continue to make a difference protecting and advocating for birds, other wildlife, and the people of Connecticut. Where birds thrive, people prosper. Please make a gift to Audubon, Connecticut today.